the cat! Kenny!
Wow.
Wow.
Do know that Kenny won't be here until 10.
Wow.
Taco Taco. There you are, Pop.
Let the detail.
Kenny's really gotten into your head lately. It's really gotten into your head.
Yeah, Kenny's awesome. Hey, that reminds me. Let's paint our faces to look like Kenny. Perfect. We're the biggest.
Wow.
Fans ever.
Then, tomorrow morning.
Yeah, 14
Wow.
hours is cutting it close, but
Oh, that'd be like me forgetting to...
you know, find the grouper count. I had to work all day. And the dorsal constellation, then squint your eye. Oh, I read in Kenny Fancy magazine that he's so used to holding his breath that when he's topside, he forgets the brills fall into place.
Kenny the cat! Kenny the cat! Kenny the cat!
You do know that Kenny won't be here until 10.